Wow, that's crazy. We're gonna need a rope. Guys, welcome to
C
Exploration. Guys, we found another garage.
spot.
So what is it called?
Bob's RV Service Center.
Right.
We looked at it. It looked completely abandoned, and then we saw it's wide open.
It's wide open, so we had to stop.
Hit it. Join us.
Join us. Here's Bob's garage here. Got your flash?
Nope.
Dude, we need it. Oh, wow. Wow. That's crazy. We're going to need a rope.
Is it out?
You can't get down.
Just film it from there.
Yeah. Yeah, not much to this place. What does that say? Drinks, pizza. Let's do a zoom on that. Sandwiches, salads, chicken. Not much to this place. Look at that growing in. Wow, there's a lot of stuff growing in back here. Yeah, I'd like to get on the bottom. I don't think we can, but we'll see. Quite a bit of growth. This has been abandoned for years and years, man. Let me see about the other end.
Look at the graffiti in the front.
Yeah, let me check it out. Yeah, check this out. Yeah. Bamoon. Oh, wow. Hold this while I get my mask. Get inside. Okay, we got 2001 date submitted.
Hey, look, we're gonna have to commit and go all the way in because the car is driving by.
Yeah, you need to get in. Look at this, guys.
That's not good.
That's
Breathe
weird.
in.
2004, guys.
Over here, guys.
What do we got here?
Careful with your step right here. You don't know.
Oh, we got a speaker.
That's a dog kennel right there. A little dog
Yeah.
cage.
Yep. Or a big cat. One of the other. Here.
Chicken.
This is not the same. This is very sketchy, guys. We do this so you don't have to, right, Corey?
Exactly.
You got it.
That's why I'm staying right here. He's going over there.
Smart guy. He's a guy. He's a smart guy. Oh, incredible. That is so amazing over there.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. I've never seen something like that in our explorations. That's significant. That is so cool. What does that say? What is it? Hose land. Let me see. Yeah, volume 29, number 4. Yeah, but look at this. Look at the trampoline. That is. Now, what is this? That's Edible Express. The new Edible Express. What do we got in there? Not much. Whoa. A little sketchy here, guys. All right, pretty cool that we got in.
Yeah, I didn't think that door was going to be open.
Yeah, I know.
That's
All right, so what did we learn from this? That it pays to check doors, knobs, even though you might think they're locked and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
It was open. So your fellow explorers out there. What do you think, guys? Let's check it out. We're going in. Check it out.
So what?
I'm going to check this area out. That is so cool. I'm going in. Whoa. Someone made a walkway across. Look at this, guys. Incredible. I'd say it's been abandoned for over 20 years. I'd say it's easy to establish that fact. Oh, look what we got here. Once was a turtle. Wow. Guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. We found out it's not Bob's.
Yeah, that was actually pointing something across the street.
Right.
Read the sign wrong there.
So we don't know what this was.
Yeah, we're not really sure. It doesn't have a name on it or anything like that.
Right.
So, yeah, I don't know. It looks like some kind of a garage or
Right.
something.
It is what it is. We don't know what it is.
But anyways, it was cool to see that.
Right.
Cool graffiti in the front. We were able to get in through that side door, so that was cool.
Yeah.
Like I said, we got a lot more stuff coming up.
Oh, yeah.
So you guys know what to do. Tag along and like.
Comment
And subscribe, guys. Thanks.
Thanks.